Oh boy, look like it's time to harvest another pineapple. Look at that beautiful pineapple grown in Big Mama's garden. Oh, it looks so yellow and so ripe right now. I know it's gonna be really sweet for us to eat. Time to harvest another pineapple. Yay! Let me see if I can just turn this and screw it off. I don't have my knife with me right now. Let's see if you're gonna work like this. Come on. Ah, yay! Look at that, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Gonna enjoy. Ooh, it smells good too. Smell all of that pineapple coming out of there. That fragrance of that pineapple. Yes. Okay. Gonna have another pineapple top here that I can screw off and put in some water and root and put back in the soil and grow me some more pineapples. Oh, we're gonna enjoy eating you. Okay. Another pineapple harvest and grown in Big Mama's garden. Looking good. Yes, you are looking good. Today's harvest from Big Mama's garden. A pineapple, cucumbers, and an okra. All grown in Big Mama's garden.